Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about mış-mış. One of my friends told me about this. She said it is too hard to understand the different meanings of mış and mish, and I decided to make a video about this. Let's start from the simple one. Almış, kırmış. Mış follows a, ı. Gelmiş, gitmiş. Miş follows i. Olmuş, uçmuş. Muş follows o, u. Ölmüş, üzülmüş. Müş follows ü. We are adding these suffixes according to the last vowel, as you can see in these examples. The main function of mış-mış is we are talking about something we have never seen. Gelmiş, he came. He came, I didn't know. I have heard from another person and I say gelmiş, he came. Languages have a lot of common points like adjectives and adverbs, but there are several differences. For example, in Turkish there is no perfect tense and gender differences, but in French, Spanish, English, Arabic, Russian and Chinese there are gender differences, but in Turkish it does not exist. This function is not exist in other languages but exists in Turkish. Let's look at other differences in mış-mış. It gives meaning of noticing later. For example, uyumuşum, I have slept. I was tired last night. I didn't even realize I have slept. As soon as I wake up, I realize that I've slept. That's why I say uyumuşum, I have slept. Another example, sevmemiş, he didn't love. I believed that she loved me. Then I realize at the end she didn't love me and I say sevmemiş. I'm so sad. Another usage of mış-mış, expressing opinion about something. Teşekkür ederim, yemek güzel olmuş. Thank you, food is good. You're in a threat in your friend's house and her family made a lot of foods. At the end of the eating, you can say yemek güzel olmuş. There is no tense in this, you're just expressing your opinion about that. Bu elbise çok yakışmış. As you can see in this example. This cloth looks very well on you. You can say. The next usage of mış is, we have finished this one. We use mış instead of your. For example, you're in a store. A staff came to help you and asks you, nasıl bir şey aramıştınız? Instead of saying, nasıl bir şey aradınız? He says, aramıştınız because he wants to be more polite. If you hear this in store and you can understand the person not talking about the past, he just want to help you a bit more politely. Next usage of mış is prediction. Gitmişsindir. Gitmişsin, you have gone. Gitmişsindir, I guess you have gone. For example, your friend visited all Europe and you say, I guess you have gone Germany too. Sen ayrıca Almanya'ya da gitmişsindir. You can say this way. Next one is a bit more advanced. Sarcastic use of mış. Çay içen var mı diyorlar. Ben de bir çay tiryakisiyim diyormuşum. They say, is there anyone drinking tea? And I say, I am a tea addicted. You're just saying something which is not real, opposite of reality, and you add dermişim, diyormuşum, and making a bit more sarcastic. If you want to use your incredible humor skill, you can say something which is not real, opposite of what you like or not, and you can add dermişim, diyormuşum, and you can just have fun with your friends and they will be happy about it because you're not native speaker. They will be mesmerized by your incredible language and humorous skills. Next usage of mış-mış mış becomes compound adjective. Başlamış iş. Started work. Verilmiş sadaka. Given charity. For example, you have been in crash, nothing happened to you, even no scratch on your body, and your friend would say to you, verilmiş sadakan varmış. You have given charity. It looks like that you have given charity, then God saved you from this catastrophic moment. There is no scratch on your body. He could say like this, with surprise. Verilmiş sadakan varmış. The next usage of this, it can also be name. Geçmiş means past. Ermiş means saint. These are all examples that I can give to you to explain different functions of mış. I think these are enough who want to pass the exam and want to impress their friends, Turkish friends. It will be good examples for them. If you want to know more about this lesson, you can go and check out my website, mehmetmijit.com. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. See you very soon.